KVK Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Krishi Vigyan Kendra. The vigorous attempt was realized by The Education Commission, 1964-66, to establish a specialized institution to provide vocational education in agriculture and allied fields at the pre- and post-matriculation levels to cater to the training needs of a large number of boys and girls coming from rural areas. The recommendation of Education Commission was thoroughly discussed during 1966-1972, associating the Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Education, Planning Commission, ICAR and other institutions. Finally, the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, mooted the idea of establishing Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Farm Science Center, as innovative institutions for imparting vocational training to the farmers and field-level extension functionaries. As a result of this, in 1973 a committee headed by Dr. Mohan Singh Mehta of Seva Mandir, Udaipur, Rajasthan, was constituted, and based on its report in 1974 it was decided to have Krishi Vigyan Kendra, KVKs, as farm science centers for speedy transfer of technology to the farmers' fields. The first KVK was established in 1974 at Pondicherry under the administrative control of the Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore. In Gujarat, 1 degree KVK was established in Disa during 1976, which is working nowadays under the administrative control of the SDAO, Sardar Krishinagar. At present, total 695 KVKs, as on 244 September 2018. Including 30 KVKs of Gujarat, are established and functioning in the country. Vision: science and technology-led growth leading to enhanced productivity, profitability, and sustainability of agriculture. Mission: farmer-centric growth in agriculture and allied sectors through application of appropriate technologies in specific agro-ecosystem perspective. The mandate of the KVKs is 1. Conducting on-farm testing to identify the location specificity of agricultural technologies under various farming systems. 2. Organizing frontline demonstrations to establish production potential of various crops and enterprises on the farmers' fields. 3. Organizing training for capacity development of farmers and field extension personnel to rent them in the frontier areas of technology development. 4. Creating awareness about improved technologies to larger masses through appropriate extension activities. 5. Work as Resource and Knowledge Center of Agricultural Technology for supporting initiatives of public, private and voluntary sector for improving the agricultural economy of the district. 6. Production and supply of good quality seeds and planting materials, livestock, poultry and fisheries breeds and products and various bioproducts to the farming community. Objectives: 1. To demonstrate the latest agricultural technologies to the farmers as well as the extension workers of the State Department of Agriculture, non-governmental organizations, with a view to reducing the time lag between the technology generation and its adoption. 2. To test and verify the technologies in the socio-economic condition of the farmers and identifying the production constraints. 3. To get first-hand scientific feedback from the fields and passing it to the research system in order to keep the scientists abreast with the performance of the technologies and the farming problems, so that they reorient their research, education and training program accordingly. 4. To impart training to the farmers, farm women, rural youth and field-level extension functionaries by following the principles of teaching by doing and learning by doing. 5. To provide training and communication support to the line department of the state, NGOs. 6. To develop extension models to be adopted by General Extension System for large scale multiplications. 7. Organizing farm science clubs in rural areas for young farmers. 8. Developing and maintaining demonstration units on KVK farm in scientific lines. Activities of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. 1. On-farm testing. 2. Front-line demonstrations. 3. Vocational training of practicing farmers, farm, women and rural youths. 4. In-service training of extension functionaries. 5. Serve as knowledge center in the district. 6. Farm advisory other extension activities. Features of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. 1. Powerful technical support. 2. Real experience as training. 3. Need-based training courses. 4. Flexibility with farmers. 5. Concept of integrated training. 6. Real field-oriented course content. 7. Specific area of operation. 8. Informal training without certificate or diploma. 9. Powerful institutional linkage. 10. Practical training. 11. Frequent follow-up measures. 12. Training interaction and reporting systems. 13. Impact study of the trainings, demonstrations and all extension activities. Organization of KVK. The project is sponsored by the ICAR and implemented by its research institutes, state agricultural universities, SAUs, NGOs and State Department of Agriculture. In selecting host institutions, preference is given to institutions, agencies having agriculture base and experience of rural development and training. The KVK is headed by a senior scientist of the rank of an associate professor designated as program coordinator with sufficient field experience in the field of agricultural extension or agronomy. The head is supported by scientists, training associate, in field of extension, agronomy, horticulture, home science, agricultural engineer, animal science, soil science, fisheries, plant protection etc., according to regional requirement. The head is also supported with 3 technical staff designated as training assistant, computer programmer, farm manager, training. The local management committee, which is now renamed as Scientific Advisory Committee in each KVK, is an important instrument of management. This committee is devoted to constantly review the progress of the KVK, provide guidance for organizing training programs and follow-up extension activities and redress, where as possible. This is strong mechanism for functional linkage with other sister organizations, institutions. Chairman of SAC, Head of the Host Institute. The members of SAC, D. Director Atari, Representative ICAR Institute, Associate Director of Research of the Zone, District. Officers of the line departments. Representative of NABARD and Lead Bank. District Information Officer, 2 farmers. Representatives among which one should be women farmers. Functional structure of KVK. Krishi Vigyan Kendra. KVK Farm Science Center. Technology adaptation, technology assessment and demonstration. Capacity development. Training of stakeholders. Knowledge and Resource Center, Information Access, Advisory Services, Technology Inventory. Sustainable Agricultural Development. Learning, application of technologies, livelihoods of farmers.